Daisy unboxing here. Sorry about my hair, a bit messy. I unboxed this, sadly. I've got the cameras on. And I've just noticed the blue wires broken off of it. So, let's see if it will work. Gracie, bring the camera. There.
What is it? Okay,
Right, let's see.
it should move.
It should move back. And when you actually say turn, it turns. You don't need a remote. Let's try this.
We've got all the batteries in.
3, 2, 1.
Go! Go, Freedom Bar!
No, not a working thing. £21.
Oh, look, the tail's missing too!
I know, so it's the tongue and the blue wires broke off. Right, I quickly want to ask you guys.
Do you know what I've heard?
You're not allowed to know your subscribers. What? You should. You know who you subscribe to. They won't let you know your subscribers. YouTube, fix that for me. And,
Comment if you're subscribing to her.
yeah, and if you do subscribe, go down there and say, I've subscribed. Do a diamond or something. I don't know.
Or if you're new, like, sub to her.
Right.
My channel's only got 7 subs.
Right. Thanks to that dog. What should I call it? Guys,
Jeff.
give me some names down there as well for me.
I guess it's just an ornament now.
Yeah, an ornament. Still gonna name it.
How much money was it, Ab?
£21.
Well, no wonder. It's usually about £100.
Yeah. Normally these
No wonder
are.
it's so broken.
These are only 174. Sorry. Look.
Okay, I'm going to pass you back to Asia.
Well, anyway, thanks for watching this boring video.
Like and subscribe.
See you guys probably in a few minutes because I like to do videos daily. See you guys later. Bye.